As a part of the Asian cruise, we had the opportunity to spend the whole 2 days in Hong Kong. Second day, we decided to visit a huge statue of Buddha located on the Lantau Island. To get there, we took a subway to Tian station. It is about 6-minute walk from the subway station to the cable car Ngong Ping 360, which provides convenient access to our destination. It is also possible to walk along almost 10-kilometer long well-maintained hiking trail. The walking tour can take about 2.5 to 3.5 hours. We paid 235 Hong Kong dollars per person for a two-way trip, which is about 26 euros or $30. It is also possible to pay extra for the so-called a crystal cabin that has a glass bottom and cost 315 Hong Kong dollars, so 34 euros or $41.
Ide prázdna kabinka. Vytratila pasažierov po ceste.
The Ngong Ping 360 cable car is 5.7 km long and its 109 cabins move at a speed of 6 meters per second. Within 25 minutes, travelers can enjoy panoramic views of Tung Chan Bay, Lantau North Country Park, South China Sea, Hong Kong International Airport, Tang Chan Valley, at the end of the journey, Lin Monastery, and finally the Buddha statue. The cable car project began in early 2004. The opening in January 2006 was preceded by an incident in which one of the cabins had a slight collision with the other at one of the stations. The entire system was automatically stopped by the security system, leaving 500 voluntaries trapped for 2 hours. Of course, the technical problems were solved, and on September 18, 1,688 tickets were sold in accordance with Feng Shui for 88 Hong Kong dollars, as this number is considered lucky. Minor deficiencies occasionally occurred during operation. However, a serious incident occurred on June 11, 2007 during a brake test when an empty cup fell off the rope. Luckily, there were no injuries. By the way, Lantau Island is the largest Hong Kong island, often referred to as the lungs of Hong Kong.
Že som pes? Ostaň. Prinies. A tu majú zimné čiapky, asi tu kosa. Tu sa ešte iba robí, píše sa tam decoration in progress. Tam sa píše, že nemáš na to ťapať.
Ja som vrebel.
Malý. V týchto obchodoch okrem iného je možné zakúpiť si teleskop pre prípad, že by sa niekomu Buddha zdal malý. Zo pár schodov tu bude, nie?
268 steps lead to the statue, or even a little winding path providing the opportunity to get to the big Buddha to those who are not able to climb the steps.
Hej, tvaríme sa, že sa fotíme, ináč odpočívame.
Tian Buddha is a large bronze statue of Buddha. Shakyamuni symbolizes the harmonious relationship between man and nature, people and faith. The statue is located on Ngong Ping Island. It is 34 meters high, weighs more than 250 tons, and was made of 202 pieces of bronze. The big Buddha was built at the beginning of 1990 and was completed on December 29, 1993, which the Chinese reckon as the day of the Buddha's enlightenment. The base of the statue represents the altar of heaven or earthly mount of Tian, the temple of heaven in Beijing. The Buddha's right hand is raised, representing the removal of affliction, while the left rests open on his lap in a gesture of generosity. As we walk around the big Buddha, we find 6 other smaller bronze statues known as the offering of the 6 devas that are posed offering flowers, incense, lamp, ointment, fruit and music to the Buddha. These symbolize the 6 perfections of generosity, morality, patience, zeal, meditation, and wisdom, all of which are necessary for enlightenment. There are 3 floors under the statue: the halls of the universe, of benevolent merit, and of remembrance. However, the most interesting is the relic of the Buddha Gautama, allegedly consisting of some of his cremated remains. There is also a huge carved bell with pictures of Buddha, which was designed to ring every 7 minutes, 108 times a day, which symbolizes the release of 108 species of human vexations.
Z mojej drahej polovičky sa dostal miestny fotograf.
To je stromček číslo D7045, zoznámte sa.
Ahoj stromček, D7045.
This Buddhist monastery was founded in 1906 by 3 monks. Originally was known simply as the Big Hut. The name Polin was given in 1924. There are 3 bronze statues of the Buddha in the main temple houses, representing the past, present and future lives.
Budka na stromné lístky.
Výborne. Tu si musíš kúpiť lístok, aby si sa mohol ísť najesť. Človek si tu príde pozrieť veľkú sochu Budhu a stretne kravu. Nejdem ku nej. Jasné, kravu s kravou budeme fotiť. Ona sa na mňa pozerá, lebo má oko z boku. Nominujeme to na súslovie dňa. Oko z boku. Pozdrav, presne.
Konečne sa Janka dočkala.
Sa to volá, že meat and... Čo to? Vegetable dumpling with noodle in soup. Za 53 hongkongských dolárov. Fajné. Dopapané. Cestovinky, delikátne. Oni tak dlho boli v tej polievke horúcej a sa vôbec nerozvarili.
Al dente.
Al dente. Hej, neboli také al dente, jak vo Florencii, kde chrumkali. No dobrá bola. Koľko mi to trvalo?
20 minút.
20 minút? Dobre, na mňa dokážem 2 hodiny jesť rezeň a zemiaky, takže okej.
watching at Symphony of Lights. See you next time. 多謝你能欣賞幻彩詠香江。再見。謝謝莅臨欣賞幻彩詠香江。再見。
To bola hudobno-svetelná show v Hongkongu s výhľadom na mrakodrapy. Hudba bola super. Výhľad je perfektný. Svetelnej show, čo ja viem.
Si hovorila, že to má mať nejaký príbeh, nejak som to nepochopil.
Opúšťame Hongkong.